Today, let's take a look at the way that you invest spare changes manually. If you don't want to invest your spare change each time and you want to do it yourself manually, let me show you how it's done. Open up the app of Acorns. Once you're inside of the application, make sure that you're inside of home screen and then tap on the invest option. Once you tap on the invest option, you'll be taken to the invest screen where you'll see the current amount of investments that you have. In order to invest your spare change manually, you'll see the option called one time. Unlike the recurring option, one time is an investment feature that you need to manually add in the amount so that you can invest your spare change or any amount of money that you want. So just tap on the one time option, add in the spare change that you want to invest. This lets you manually invest your own version of spare change. So you can round up your real life spending yourself and choose how much to invest. Once you type in the amount, tap on confirm and the money will be transferred from your linked bank account to the Acorns investment account. It will usually take from 1 to 3 business days for the money to be transferred from your bank account to the investment account of Acorns. So that was a video about the way that you invest spare change manually in Acorns. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to share, subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up.